Yes! So today we are playing with the Hot Wheels Zoom In. It is a Hot Wheels collaboration with GoPro, where you can put a GoPro camera on top of a Hot Wheels car. So Hot Wheels sent us 2 cars, a loop, and like 3 feet of track. That was just like not enough for us. So we went out and we bought 40 feet of track. So it turns out that the loop didn't work for us. We couldn't get the physics right. So we simplified the track. We've got it coming down a slightly less steep incline, through a tunnel, over this box, and into the water. Today, we're gonna play with Hot Wheels. Because every adult should play with Hot Wheels, let's be honest.
I agree.
I see this track set up here, I'm ready to go.
I am not too ashamed to say that I still have Matchbox cars and even a few Hot Wheels.
If you could add like any feature to a Hot Wheel car, or create your own Hot Wheel car, what would you do?
I would find a way to link different Hot Wheels cars so you can like, almost like Legos where you can like build your own.
It would be cool if it would like attach to the track.
Being able to customize the track more, maybe being able to customize your own car.
We're going to be playing with the Hot Wheel Zoom In
Okay.
that has a GoPro attached to it.
What?
Exactly. Hot Wheels Zoom In.
Oh my God.
So what we've got for you today is this track, goes down a line, under the tunnel, shoots in the air, and the goal is to get it into that bucket of water.
3, 2, 1.
Ooh. Ooh. Oh, just a little short. Oh! First
What did I tell
try.
you? What did I tell
Oh
you?
my gosh, I'm impressed.
Analyze.
Oh, I had it. It was right there.
Oh, yes! Let's take a look at this footage.
Let's check it out.
Oh! It was kind of cool though,
It was
yeah.
there and then came right back down.
Oh, I just ate it.
Yeah.
But that was like fun to
That was
watch.
pretty cool, yeah.
Oh my god. I feel like I'm on this ride.
I'm sure there's someone that's gonna do some really cool like video.
I would do like a backdrop.
Exactly,
Like,
like,
edit
yeah.
a whole scene.
Yes.
Make your own freaking movie with this.
All right, well, thanks for playing Hot Wheels with us.
Anytime. Definitely do it again.